Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure your Call of Duty mobile and device OS are up to date and you have a stable network. Restart your phone to clear hung processes. Close heavy background apps to free RAM. Once done, toggle Wi-Fi off then on, or switch to mobile data to isolate connection issues. You'll also sign out of the game account, then sign back in to force token refresh. This quick step often resolves simple authentication failures. You now focus on account tokens and local data. Clear the game cache, and if problems persist, clear app data. Be aware this may require a re-download. Once cleared, reauthorize the account provider you use, such as Facebook or Google, by revoking access then granting it again so fresh credentials are issued. Make sure the game servers are not down for your region. If servers show maintenance, wait. If regional blocks exist, try a nearby network or tethering as a test. You finish by eliminating corrupted installs. Back up any local settings, uninstall Call of Duty Mobile, then reinstall from the official store and log in again. If the error persists, test signing in with a different account or on another device to determine whether the issue is account-specific or device-specific. Make sure to capture any error codes or exact messages. If nothing works, contact support with that info for faster resolution. Remember, clear evidence speeds up fixes, so screenshot and note steps taken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.